The ECOWAS Court of Judgment is to deliver judgment against the federal government by Colonel Sambo Dasuki seeking to enforce his fundamental human rights. The court, presided over by Justice Friday Nwoke, rules that the search on Dasuki's house without a search warrant is unlawful, and that the continued detention without trial is also unlawful, since he has met the bail conditions granted by the three courts before which he was arraigned. On the grounds by the federal government that the plans to destabilize the government, the accusation, the court held that it's an arbitrary claim which is not a reasonable ground to detain him indefinitely since November 2015. The court also says that the applicant, like any other ECOWAS citizen, has a right to own and enjoy property without interference.
It's the beginning of a new dawn in Nigeria. Even in the midst of the terror that is going on in the country, the law has spoken, the rule of law has prevailed, and it has spoken so loudly. And it's to now call upon the president to humble himself under the law. Say, no matter how high you may be, you are still under the law. That is, the court has declared that the invasion of his home, the seizure of his property, and his detention and continued detention is unlawful. So we call upon the federal government, who is playing to be a major role in the ECOWAS community, to honor the law and release Colonel Dasuki promptly.
What options?